Last week on 3 Things Live, we introduced Family Tree as the new Stitch Your Story theme for June.
We had author Debbie L. Hepner stop by and share her book, Grandma's Comfort Quilt. Family is so important to her and to all of us.
Sherry and Sandra taught us how to turn items passed down to them into something they can proudly display in their homes.
We also learned about the Broderie Perse Appliqué technique. Then we shared ideas on how to host your very own grandma camp.
These shows are packed with all kinds of great information to help you on your creative journey.
Spend time with your girlfriends at 1 p.m. Mountain and 3 p.m. Eastern.
I knew she was going to be okay.
You'll definitely want to catch up on all of this and so much more by clicking on the links below.
3 Things Live is where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn and something to discover.
Let's go!